Today I'm going to show you how to use GIFs on the Stars to Apples app. If you're already familiar with Stars to Apples, you know it's a great tool for giving rewards in the online classroom. I like using theme-based GIFs to support the learning of my students, my ESL students, so you might want to do that too. I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get started. So let's open the app. I already have some GIF rewards made, so let's look at the one on animals. I can have the kids pick a number, or I can randomly pick a number, and a cute little animal pops up, and they always enjoy seeing the different animals. It kind of brings them to life. There's also one on birthdays, so if we're talking about celebrations, guests, I might pick a picture to support the vocabulary, or just let them pick a number and see what pops up. There's also one that I've done on city. So again, they can pick a number, or I can pick it to support the vocabulary. Playground, if I want supermarket, so it just kind of supports whatever they're learning. I've also made one on vowels. So if I'm teaching vowel sounds, short A or long A, I could do the apple or the acorn. Octopus for the short O, and ocean for the long O. So now I'm going to show you how to make these rewards. I'm going to go ahead and close my Stars to Apple, and I need to open up a GIFs app. You can find them at the App Store. I want to do a unit or a reward on culture. So I opened up my Chinese, find a picture that's appropriate, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Once I click on it, I'm going down to the lower corner. I'm going to go ahead and hit that download button and click GIFs, and then I'm going to go ahead and save it to my image. Okay, and then the picture is saved. Go ahead and get out of that, find another picture that I want. Again, making sure it's appropriate. Download button on the left-hand bottom corner. Click on the GIFs, and then save it to the image. Okay, and then again, I'm doing culture, so I want to go ahead and find America and find some pictures, and then it's just kind of repeating the same process. Again, GIFs, at the lower left-hand corner, images, save to images, and finding more pictures. Okay, so some of these pictures are really fun, and you just find the ones that you think you like. Sometimes you have too many choices to choose from, but that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and go to my photos and see what I have saved, think about which ones I might want to use, and then I'm going to go ahead and close that, and then go back to Stars to Apples. I'm going to hit the plus sign up at the right hand corner. It's going to open up, and I'm going to hit name. I'm typing in culture. I'm doing Chinese and American culture. After I type that in, I'm going to hit save and then go back. I'm going to click on category, and I'm going to look for GIFs. Click on it, save, and then I'm going to tags. I'm going to open that up and look for find a star. Click on it, and then done. Okay, now I'm going to scroll down to where it says rows and columns. Right now it's set for 1 and 1, and you can see that's what it looks like. But I want to change that to have 2 rows and 5 columns, and here's what it looks like. You can actually set it to however many columns and rows you like, but this works good for me. Now I'm going to go to the covers. I'm going to click on the plus sign, and then this will allow me to apply a cover set. I'm going to go the easy way and just do either colors or numbers. Already pre-made, numbers 1 through 10. It applied it to the whole set. Going down to the thumbnail, this is the picture that's going to show up on the main menu. I'm going to load from the library and pick one of the pictures that I already have saved. I'm going with the little dog, very cute, and click on that, and there's my thumbnail. Now I'm going to go back up to the rewards, click on the plus sign there, photo library, because now I want all those pictures that have to do with America. So I'm going to click on 5 of those pictures. I can only choose 5, and go ahead and hit done. And there's my 5 American pictures. Now I'm going to do the same thing for my Chinese pictures. Hit the plus sign, and then go to the photo library, pick the 5 pictures that I like, and then go ahead and hit done. Once I have all my pictures, I want to go ahead and hit save, and then that will take me back to the main menu, and you can see that I have culture saved as one of my pictures on the menu. Try it out. So culture, I'm just clicking on the different pictures, and you can see I've got my American pictures and my Chinese pictures. I can change the pictures if I don't like them, but Yeah, just a really cool selection of the different pictures. So really fun for a reward, or like I said, you can just use it to build vocabulary. But either way, it's just a really cool tool to use for your online classroom or even for a small group. And that's how you make a GIFs reward in your Stars to Apple app. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.